Meaning of direct dialing.
Direct dialing.
Direct dialing.
Direct dialing.
Direct dialing. Direct dialing refers to a telecommunication service that allows a user to call another person's telephone number without the need for operator assistance. This means that the caller can directly enter the phone number they wish to reach using a keypad or voice commands. The call is then automatically routed to the appropriate destination. Direct dialing eliminates the need for manual intervention, which saves time and reduces the likelihood of errors. It also gives users greater control over their communications and provides a faster and more convenient way to make phone calls.